Okay, I am back. All right, so the crash bar has been mounted up on the bottom, but loosely, right? You see the threads there, bolts are in. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is put my phone down, hopefully it stays still, and show you how the top clamp goes on. Also, I make sure the cable goes on this side of the bung, right? I'm holding it in place right here with the pingo, so that's not in my way. And later on, I'm gonna install the loop the opposite way, because it mounts like this. Well, this is the way it is from the factory. Well, I'm gonna mount it like this, the opposite way, to keep the cable from being too close to the bar. So you'll see that right now in a minute. Bolts are in down there loosely. Okay, let's see. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. So as you can see, I had the, you want to put this in here first, the powder coated clamp. Put it in from the bottom, slide it up. Okay. And work it up. Find your holes. Line them up. Should slip right in. There's that. So we're still there? Yeah, we're still there, okay. So I'm just gonna put one nut just to hold it in place. So like that, I can grab my camera back. Oh, you know what, I'll put two nuts. All right, okay. So I'm gonna grab the camera back. So that's just secured in place. Look how nice. Can I turn the light on this? Well, I'll get my light up here. That's gonna look. Right, the original holes, you know, they're gonna be exposed, but that powder coated clamp makes the difference big time, because those come in stainless or in steel. Then I'll finish them off with some acorns. So there you go. I'll tighten it up and it'll be a done deal. Look at that. Got that there. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. So for all you 2002 and early 2003s that do not have the top mount, just like this over here. See that top mount? This is the 2003 of you. And there you go. I'll have one more short video of it completely installed.